You won't be 16 forever.
This is beyond my wildest dreams.
Just a very special kid. He is the most talented kid I will probably ever meet in my life.
Great artist, a great singer, a great performer. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about?
Baby, what you doing when you... One less lonely girl, if you let me inside of your world. There'll be one less lonely girl, oh, no.
You know, just being on stage, we get to be somebody else.
I want to thank you for just always believing in me. I want to thank just everyone. This is amazing. I want to always give back to my fans and make sure to give them the time that they deserve, because they come out here.
Cause everything starts from something, but something.
I never thought that I would be in the position that I am now. But I think that it's so important that, you know, if you have a dream, to just believe.